What's up my SEO friends? In this video I'll show you how to install and fully use the Detailed SEO Chrome extension. Let's jump right in. First open the Chrome browser and click on these three dots at the top right corner. Go to extensions and then click on visit Chrome web store. Now in the search bar type Detailed SEO. You'll see this, click on it. To install this extension, click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add extension. It may take a few seconds to install, wait for it. So it has been installed. Close it from here. Right now you don't see the Detailed SEO icon here. So click on this button that says Extensions and then click on Pin in front of Detailed SEO extension. Let's click it. Now you can see the Detailed SEO icon here. So now it's installed. Let's see how we can use it. This extension basically gives you a fast overview of the page's SEO data. Open any page. Let's say I want to check the SEO data for this page. Simply click on the icon. We have different tabs here, and under each tab it shows us different data. In the overview tab you can see the title of this page or meta title. Then we can see the meta description, URL, canonical tags if they have set any. Then we can see robots tag, xrobots tag, keyword meta tags. It's usually empty these days, not important for modern SEO. Then the word count on this page, publisher, and language of this page, which is currently ENUS. Then below we have heading summary. This page has 1 H1, 4 H2s, 25 H3s, and 1 H4. And this page has 24 images and 138 links. We'll explore these headings, images, and links in the next tabs as well. Then here you can see the links to robots.txt and sitemap for this website. Now let's move on to the next tab, which is headings. This tab lists all the headings. These are the H3s on this page. Then this is the H1, H2, H3. And if you scroll down, you can see all the headings on this page. Then the next tab is links. Here you can see all the links on this page. So we have total 138 links, 95 links are internal, and 43 links are external, and 47 links are unique. Unique links means the links that are on this page only. I mean, you can see the link here, special offers, and you can see here special offers. So it's basically this link. It's in the menu, so it will be on all the pages of this website. So out of 138, 47 links are unique, which means the links that are on this page only. You can see the links and anchor text as well. They are grouped into internal and external. First we have internal links, and if you scroll down, you can see external links as well. And if you scroll up, you can download the links that don't have anchor text by clicking here, and you can download all the links with the anchor text from here. Then under images, you can see how many images are there on this page. So there are 24 images on this page, 3 images are without alt text, and 25 images are without title. You can download them as well from these two buttons. Then we have schema. This tab shows you the structured data. Not all pages have schema, but if it's implemented, you'll see it here. Next to schema is hreflang. If a page has different versions for different languages or regions, you can see here. This website is only in English, so they don't have any hreflang. Let me show you another website that has implemented this. Let's go to this website, click on Detailed SEO icon, go to schemas and then hreflang. So you can see they have also Arabic version of this page, so they've mentioned it here. Then the next tab is social. This tab shows Open Graph and Twitter card meta tags, which are used for better link previews on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Then the last tab is Advanced. This section provides quick links and settings for SEO tools and extra features. Each one opens the current page in a popular SEO tool. For example, if I click on similar web, It will open this page in SimilarWeb. Click on Begin. Let's click the clocks. Confirm. Now here you can see more information about the page and the website. And then finally we have dark mode. You can click it to turn on the dark mode. So this was all the information for this page. If you want to check SEO data for any other page, let's say I want to check SEO data for this page, simply go to that page, click on Detailed SEO icon, and now here you can see the SEO data for this page. So this is how you can install and use the Detailed SEO Chrome extension. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more SEO videos that I post regularly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.